How to create a quiz on Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, tap the Play Store application on your device and search for Canva. Make sure you have the latest version of Canva application on your device. As you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Canva application. So just tap on open. Now as you tap on open, make sure that you're logged into your account so that you can have the proper use of Canva application and you can just continue the process of it. And as I logged into your account, you can see the search bar at the top of the screen. So tap on the search bar and just search for quiz over here. Now as you search for the quiz, you'll be able to see different templates that Canva has in store already. So you can see there are about 13,657 quizzes templates in the Canva. So you can just search and you can select whichever is more prominent for you. Now this can be shown in a premium version as well as free version. So since I do not have a premium version, I'm going to select on the free versions one. Then all I have to do is just select on the one that is free for me right now. And as I tap on it, it will get me into the template over here. So just make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection to continue this one. So you just have to make a necessary edit over here by changing the questions, the options over here, and that's how you'll be able to create a quiz on Canva. You can add pages over here and add more questions and options as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.